welcome back. We got a brandless box, yay. Ooh, not enough time. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, I thought these were not going to be coming back, and they are because I like it just so much, and apparently they are going to be investing back into my account. It's just going to be a lower amount. Yay, the list of stuff that I got. We're going to look at it. Okay. Alright, first things first. Oh, okay, because the first thing, of course, freaking cats. The first thing is Catnip. Yay! They just got this in. It's actually a new thing on their inventory thing. Sorry, it's stuck at the top. But yeah, they got those in, and then they also have cat toys with catnip inside them. They have this bird, and then they also have a 3-pack of little mice. And yes, it is filled with catnip. The mouse are also filled with catnip. The next thing that I'm going to get out is these garbanzo beans. My husband and I love to eat hummus. That's actually something that we make and eat when there is no dinner items or we don't have enough to make a dinner. So it's just kind of like a little cheat meal. I also got 3 cans of tomato sauce again. We were out and I ended up giving the last ones away. The next thing is hummus crisps, olive oil and sea salt. My husband requested those. I figured, you know what? Why not? I actually recommended them to him, and he said that he wanted that kind specifically. So, I also got 2 big, apparently crushed bags of blue corn tortilla chips. That is actually supposed to be for nachos, because I am partially Portuguese. My last name is actually Portuguese. So, there's that. Oh, okay, I got another thing of garbanzo beans. Next thing that I got was actually maple instant oatmeal. I have actually been craving oatmeal, and maple is probably my favorite. And I actually heard that maple actually isn't too bad for you compared to what some people make you believe and whatnot. But I also got some vegetable broth. I thought these were going to be a little bit bigger. I expected them to be like that rather than this small, but that's okay. That's fine. It'll probably be like a 2-time use sort of thing, or a big thing that we use it on. The next things that I got were actually some more tuna. We like casseroles, and that is another quick thing that we make in order to just get our meal out the way for the day. The next thing that I got was black pepper. As always, these are all organic and or non-GMO. Well, I've already gone past everything. There is also unflavored plant protein. I got this actually to try and help with my muscles and whatnot. I've been doing a lot of yoga and all that, so trying to work on some stuff. Even though I don't need it, but the next thing that I got is wrapped in this paper that they use, and it is actually salsa. Like I said before, I'm partially Portuguese, so I like my spicy stuff, and nachos is one of my things. And then this time I actually got a free gift, and it was the virgin coconut oil that I got a bunch of last time. So, yeah, that was it for this box. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!